Hey, what's up, everybody? So we put some rear leaf springs on the Maverick, and the original ones were very saggy, and we hit bumps. It would just bottom out every time. And I looked on the internet quite a bit, and the prices were pretty reasonable, but I ended up going with a local spring manufacturer here in St. Louis because not only do they make them locally right here, but also the gentleman who runs the shop said that if it didn't ride the way that the height that we wanted, that we could bring them back and he would re-arch them. And honestly, the price was just a little bit higher than what you're going to find on the internet. And of course, you know, when you order them on the internet, you know, they're probably, the steel is probably not as good. They're coming from overseas. You've got shipping, and by the time you pay for all that and wait for them to get there, I mean, I called this guy and asked him to put these springs together for the Maverick, and they had them done in a day. And he's got an old spec book that told him exactly what thickness of steel to use, how, you know, how much to bend them, how much of an arch to put in them, all that kind of stuff. And they had a full-blown manufacturer, and they do everything from like fire truck leaf springs all the way down to classic cars. And so anyway, long story short, I asked him if I could come take a look at the operation. They weren't actually making springs while I was there. The guys were all on break, but that kind of worked out because he was able to walk through the shop with me and kind of show me the stages of making the leaf springs, which was really cool. Just a heads up, the audio is kind of rough because I think there was a police car driving by the entire time with the sirens on. They had a lot of fans on to keep the air moving inside of the building, so it's kind of hard to hear everything that he's saying, so I apologize for that. But it's pretty cool because it gives you some insight into, you know, the machines that they use. It's the same stuff they've been using for years. Some of it was up to like 75 years old. So yeah, check out the video, and if you've never seen the inside of a manufacturer who makes leaf springs, it's kind of eye-opening. Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
Are you Nick?
Yeah, I'm Nick.
Hey, what's up, man? Thanks for letting me shoot some video, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I saw him already right there, but before we handle all that, you mind showing me around a little bit? All right, cool. Yeah, actually, I think I told you this on the phone, man. Like 20 years ago, I bought some springs for a '68 Camaro from here. And actually, it's the same location, right?
Yep.
Oh, okay, because for some reason it seemed like it was in a different spot to me, but...
Oh, they changed the name of the street. It used to be Lucas, and they changed it to Samuel Shepherd. That was about...
Gotcha.
20 some odd years ago, so it could have thrown... Sometimes that throws people off. But we
Gotcha.
lived in this spot for 75 years.
Oh, got it. Cool.
Yeah, show you back here.
Awesome.
Guys are on break, so it's quiet.
So you guys just crank them out, huh?
Try to.
Right. I saw on the website that you like do some for like fire trucks and bigger stuff and all that.
Spring, we do it.
Yeah,
You know?
gotcha.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's all different sizes of steel, depending on, you know, what the application calls for, widths, thicknesses, and these are a shear punch combo.
So that cuts and puts holes in them.
Mm-hmm. Up here is cuts. Down here, punch. That's our smaller one. We used to use that one for clip steel.
Really?
And this is what we use for. This is what we use when we actually make the springs. This down here, you can measure it out and put it to size, and small furnace where we roll the eyes.
Wow.
Get it super red. Over eye size here, and this pulls over and rolls the eye.
Oh, gotcha.
Big furnace is where they go in, where they get the whole leaf is
Gotcha.
treated.
So do they come like painted, I guess, or yeah? Just with what is it painted with? Just
a basic
regular
black. It's nothing special. Paint,
Gotcha.
You know? That's
Gotcha.
what you tell people if they're trying to paint it special. You leave it bare metal.
Ah.
And they can.
I would have painted them black too.
Right.
So, yeah. Wow. So how many times, like how often you got to run that thing?
Oh, we usually run it, you know.
Like every day at some point?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Several times a day. And these are the simple tables when we put the springs together.
Oh, wow. Oh crap, I forgot to find out about the U-bolts for you. That's all right. I'll reuse what I got for now,
Okay.
and then I can always swap them out later.
Yeah, like I said, we can make U-bolts while you wait. It takes
Yeah.
probably like 5-10 minutes.
Man, look at how worn out this is just from having metal on it and doing
Yeah.
whatever they do, huh?
Oh yeah. You know,
Well, no kidding.
still use a lot of the same old, pretty much glorified blacksmithing, you know?
Yeah.
It's the same way we did for running. It was pretty much the same 75 years, you know, except for a few things here.
Wow.
Like the press and U-bolt bender. I used to have to heat the U-bolts by heat them up and bend them by hand. That's
This makes the U-bolts?
No, this, see that orange machine?
Oh.
That one does.
Gotcha.
They even
Oh,
have
I see.
more, they even have, some places we had, they can bend 10, 20 at a time, you know. depending-
Wow.
We just have to just
If you're doing a
one at
big
time.
order of them,
Yeah,
you can
this
just...
one just bends one at a time.
Gotcha. Cool.
That's it.
Nice.
We always look for the shears, buy extra ones.
Nice.
Not something you can go buy anywhere.
Yeah, no kidding. What era is, I mean, what year do you think these are all these?
Oh, they're way back. This is probably one of our best ones. We just keep it as an extra until when the one goes out.
What year do you think it was manufactured?
I would say at least in the 50s, 60s,
Yeah.
if not older.
Yeah, it looks old school.
Now, to get the same machine, if you bought it new, you'd have to buy two.
Really?
One will cut
Ah,
and one will punch. They don't.
this does
They don't
everything.
make them where you do them the same anymore.
So what's up with like the old ones? Is this because what like these look like they're used, or are they?
Some of them are harder to find, so we hang on to
Gotcha.
matchups too.
Ah,
And
as like a template or something?
yeah, exactly.
Gotcha.
For like re-arching and stuff like that. I mean, all this stuff is real common stuff we sell a lot of.
Oh, okay.
A lot of fire trucks,
Really?
trash trucks, those type of guys who want to get on the road as quick as
Gotcha.
possible. Can't be down.
Gotcha.
And then we do a lot of classic cars.
So mine just had, you had some specs in a computer and
Yeah.
you were just like, this
These
is
are
the,
classic car springs we ship out.
really? You sell them like on the internet too and stuff? You make them and then put them
We
online
have a
or what?
website, but we don't sell off the internet. It's
Yeah.
just, people can email or call us and we can order them that way.
Yeah, just lately, the last couple of days or the last couple of weeks, I've been looking a lot into where to get these from, and I could only find one other company, and I don't know if they're actually making them, called General Spring. And I don't
Yeah.
know if they're actually a U.S. company making them or if they're just importing them from
I don't
overseas.
think they make them.
They just source them.
We're one of the probably only handful of companies that actually, spring companies that
Actually produce them and manufacture.
and don't survive on working on a vehicle, you know.
Oh, got it.
See, we don't work on vehicles.
Right. Just make the springs.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, cool. Well, I'm gonna shut this off so we can
Okay.
do business.
Sounds good.
All right, cool. Okay, cool. Well, thanks for watching the video, you guys. Big shout out to St. Louis Spring for letting me go in there and film and check out the manufacturing process. See you on the next one.